Here is a brutal truth about breaking into tech right now. Recruiters do not actually care about your 4-year university degree. If you are trying to land your first job as a data analyst and your entire strategy is sending out a generic CV with your college certificate listed at the top, you are setting yourself up for rejection. Why? Because the market is flooded with certificates, but it is desperately starved of people who actually know how to solve real business problems. If you don't have a tech degree, you cannot compete on credentials. You have to compete on proof. In this video, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step strategy to build a data portfolio so undeniable that hiring managers will completely ignore your lack of a university background. Let's get into it. Now, before we look at what to build, we have to talk about why 90% of beginner portfolios fail. Most people finish a short online course, download a perfectly clean, pre-made dataset from Kaggle, like Titanic Survived or Iris Flowers, and write a basic script or build a standard chart. They upload it to GitHub and think, great, now I'm an analyst. Recruiters see this every day. It looks like a school assignment. Clean datasets don't exist in the real world. Real corporate data is chaotic, full of errors, missing values, and duplicate entries. If your portfolio only features perfect datasets, you are telling the recruiter, I only know how to work in a simulated environment. To beat someone with a computer science degree, your portfolio needs to show that you can handle the messy reality of a real business database. This brings us to the very first project you need to build, the Data Scrape and Cleanup project. Instead of downloading a clean CSV file, I want you to go find messy data. Web scrape public data from a local real estate website, or use public government transport records. Document your entire process of fixing it. Show the recruiter your before and after. Create a project notebook that details exactly how you handled missing data, how you identified and removed thousands of duplicate rows, and how you standardized unformatted text. When a hiring manager sees this, they instantly check a box in their head. They realize, wow, this person can save our engineering team hours of time because they actually know how to clean data. That is skill number 1. The second project you must have is a business impact dashboard. Most beginners build dashboards that just show information. For example, here's a chart of total sales per month. That's fine, but an elite analyst builds dashboards that drive decisions. Pick an industry, let's say e-commerce or logistics. Don't just build a chart, structure your dashboard to answer a critical commercial question. For example, which product categories are losing us money due to high shipping returns, and which regions should we stop marketing to? In your portfolio documentation, don't write technical jargon, write business conclusions. Use a headline like, by analyzing 10,000 transactions, this dashboard identifies how a retail store can cut delivery overheads by 12% next quarter. Do you see the shift here? You aren't pitching yourself as a coder. You are pitching yourself as a business partner who happens to use data. The final piece of optimization is how you package these projects. Do not just leave them as raw code on GitHub where a non-technical HR recruiter won't understand them. Create a simple one-page personal website using free tools like Notion, GitHub Pages, or Card. At the very top, put your title, Data Analyst Specializing in Business Intelligence. Right beneath that, host links to your 2 projects with clear 2-sentence summaries focused entirely on the business results. When you apply for a job, place this portfolio link right at the very top of your CV, right under your contact information. Make it impossible for them to look at your education before they look at your work.